Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the environment and loading data. Create a virtual environment, install Pandas and NumPy, and confirm the dataset file type. Then, open a quick sample, use Pandas. Read CSV or read JSON with encoding and delimiter options, because seeing 510 rows tells you column names, missing patterns, and types. Once done, cast crucial columns, dates, categories to proper types so operations are fast and predictable. Make sure to save the exact file path and any parsing parameters for reproducibility. You now perform core cleaning and transformations. Identify missing values and decide whether to drop rows, fill with mean/median, or tag them with Boolean flags. This choice affects downstream analysis. Next, standardize types, used to datatime for dates and a stype category for labels, because correct types speed up grouping and reduce memory. Once done, create derived columns and normalize numeric scales. If needed, filter outliers using IQR or Z-score to avoid bias. Make sure to chain operations with method chaining for clarity. You finish by running analyses and saving results. Use GroupB and pivot table for summaries, then visualize distributions to validate patterns because visuals reveal hidden issues. Once satisfied, export the clean dataset using to Parquet for compact storage or to CSV when compatibility matters. If something goes wrong, first check dtypes, missing rows, and parsing errors. Memory spikes often mean an unintended object dtype. If that happens, downcast numeric columns, reparse problematic fields, and rerun the export to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.